This is Collins from Agropests solution. Yeah, so today is a field day, farmer's field day. We've decided to visit this farmer. So this tomato variety is Big Rock F1. He bought from Agropests solution. Yeah, so the farmer here is facing a lot of challenges. So number one, you can see he's facing early blight. This is early blight, a symptom on the fruit. The difference between early blight and blossom end rot. So early blight happens at the petal end of the fruit, where the attachment between the fruit and the stem, while blossom end rot, as the name suggests, happens at the blossom end of the fruit. So another challenge you can see, this farm is facing what we call these are bacterial specks. As you can see, these are the symptoms on the leaves. Yes. So, and these are the symptoms on the fruit. Okay, you can think it's tooth absoluta, but when you scratch with your bare hand, you can see it has not penetrated inside the fruit. So, these are bacterial speck. So, it does not have a cure, but now you can do a preventive measure using a copper spray, a copper-based fungicide. Yeah, and then another challenge the farm is facing. This is a physiological disorder. We call it cut facing. There's very little that can be done, but now the good thing is it occurs in the first fruits set of the fruits. Instead that the subsequent fruits will not have that disorder. So those are the main challenges. Been worsened by the best way to control these diseases first is to practice a good cultural management. Farmer did late staking. He could not have gotten to this situation. So we always advise the farmer to stake early during fruit setting. Wakati matunda maanza kuwa kubwa, nafaa ipate umesha stake. So proper staking, bacterial specks, do copper well in advance, advisably before the disease enters. But I have advised the farmer to first do some pruning of the mostly the affected leaves, and then to also do a copper spray, which we'll be doing regularly, and I know, yeah, we'll have better results. And you can see the Big Rock is supposed to have much bigger fruits. This is due to poor feeding, and also the diseases, the leaf disease, which reduce the number of foliage. So the tomato cannot make enough food to sustain bigger fruits. Yeah, another thing I've been facing is tooth absoluta, but that one he has managed to control very well. Yeah, we have advice for Fenari, Vodium Targo, among other pesticides, alternating among other pesticides, doing regular sprays, and he has managed to control tooth absoluta. Yeah, so these are the major challenges that the farmer is facing. And we don't want this farmer to lose hope. That's why we have decided to come on the ground. Yeah, Agropests tajali mkulima. Yeah, so maybe to also another thing to increase on the fruit size, because we have discovered that the casual laborers, they have very poor habit of applying this basal fertilizer. When they apply the place where water does not reach the plant, and you know the fertilizer must dissolve in water before it can be uptaken by the plant, and also they apply on the stem itself, hence choking the plant. So to resolve all these issues, we advise the farmer to do what we call Agri-power. So Agri-power is a complete fertilizer which is sprayed on the leaves of the plant, and Agri-power can substitute these other basal fertilizers. So there will be no need for basal application. So to cut on the cost, on the bulkiness of the basal fertilizer, those normal fertilizer, we recommend Agri-power to solve this issue, which will be applied regularly in the interval of about 3 weeks interval. There's Agri-power B, which is very good at this stage of the plant. So we advise the farmer to do Agri-power B, and they'll get better results. The good thing about Agri-power is not bulky. So you can imagine the 50 kg of this normal synthetic fertilizer equals to only 100 grams of Agri-power. So that one is reduces on the transportation costs, and also the application is very easy because Agripa you spray, so that's reducing also on the labor cost. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, this one a young one, big rock. So this one I've advised for Agri-Power A, since he has not done a top dressing. This one we hope that will take better care, and I will advise this one the farmer to stake earlier to avoid the problems that has been associated with that other crop, which is staked later. That's there are very high places of this many diseases. Yes.